In our last session, we saw how variables are used in Java. So we talked about and learned local variables and class variables. The instance variables are related to objects, and we will learn them later when we learn objects. So today we will learn Java operators. So in Java, there are mathematical or arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, and there are some other operators which are not used very often. So we will learn about these three kinds of operators. So arithmetic operators are similar to what we use in arithmetics. Like we when we do addition, say A, we want to add B to A, then we write A plus B. So similarly in Java, we use this plus sign to do addition of two variables. And then for subtraction, we use the minus sign. So similar to what we do in arithmetics. And then there is a modulus operator. So it gives you the reminder of division of any operation. Say you are dividing 5 by 4, then the reminder is 1. So when you use modulus, your result will be 1. Then for multiplication, we use this asterisk sign. So in mathematics, when we say 5 multiplied by 4, the result is 20. So in Java, we will write 5 asterisk 4. Okay, and then in operator, the next operator is division. So we in mathematics we use the slash sign to divide uh, two variables. So similarly in Java we will use this division by using this slash sign. Then there is a plus plus operator. So what it does is it adds one to some value. For example, we if we want to say add one to A, then we will write plus plus A. So it will add 1 to A. And then this minus minus sign is to subtract 1 from any variables. For example, we want to subtract 1 from A, then we will write minus minus A. Okay. And then the relation operators. So relational operators, the first one is this plus plus sign, equal equal sign. So it is same as in mathematics when we write equal to. So, like when we compare, when we do the comparison, say if A is equal to B, then do something. So in Java we will write A and then plus plus equal equal sign and B. And the next operator is this exclamation mark and equal sign. It means not equal to. For example, if we want to say if A is not equal to B, then do something. So we will use this operator. Then greater than or equal to. So in mathematics, we use if A is equal to B, then do something. So similarly, in Java, we will write A, this greater than sign, then B, and then do something. Then if A is less than B, then we will use this operator, less than operator. And then assignment operators. So assignment operator is uh, this equal sign. So it is not same as in arithmetics when we say A, if A is equal to B. In Java, this equal sign means assignment. For example, we want to assign 5 to A, then we will write 5 and then equal sign and then 5. A equal sign 5. So it 5 will be assigned to variable A. And then this plus and equal sign. This means you want to uh, add and then do assignment. Okay. So let us learn these by doing some exercise. So let us move to Eclipse. So in Eclipse, we have this project which we created salary, and we created a package salary, and we created some classes. So today Let us create a new class called operator. In operator, we will do some operations. Okay. So here I have defined two variables a and b, and I have assigned 5 to a and 4 to b. So now a has a value of 5 and b has a value of 4 at this point. And then I have created one more variable c, float, of float variable type. Okay. And now let us do some operator assignment. So say we want to do a, we want to add b to a and then assign this value into c. Okay. So let me comment this out. In Java, you can comment any line by putting two slashes. So when you do that, then the compiler won't read that line. Okay. So let us do this. Say C, we are doing addition of B to A and then assigning it to C. Okay. And we want to take a printout of say value of C, the result of this addition. Okay. So now let us save this file. Okay. And let me clear the console. And now let us run our application. So it is giving a value of 9.0. Point is there because we used this variable c as float. So float means it will show decimal places as well. So that is why it is showing 9.0. Okay. Now let us do the subtraction. So say a minus b. Okay. And assigning this value to c. And we want to print this value of c. So save this file and now run. So it is showing 1.0. So that is 5 fine because 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. Now let us do this multiplication a asterisk b and then assigning this value to c, and we want this result in as a printout on your screen. So let us save it and let us run it. So it is giving a value of 20. Okay, that is good. So now let us do division a divided by b. Okay, and we want to have this value of c here. Let us save this file and let us run it. So it is giving a value of 1. Okay, so because uh, 5 divided by 4, the the uh, the reminder means reminder will be 1, but the value it should be 1, and then plus after that there should be some decimal places. So decimal places are truncated. The precision is not set because the what value we are storing in float. So it is storing only up to this point. So it is showing 1.0. Okay. If you want a more precise result, then we need to do some more, which we will see later in uh, our course. Okay. And now let us do the modulus. So a modulus b. So the division of 5 by 4 and the remainder. So remainder should be 1, right? So let us run our application. So it is showing correctly as 1. Okay. So this is how all these operations are done. Now let us do this plus plus operation. So a plus a. What we are saying is add 1 to a and then assign that result into a again. So it is same as when we write a and then assign a plus 1 here, which is commented out. So real should be 5 plus 1 and it should be 6. So let us print value of a now. It should show a value of 6. So it is showing a value of 6, right? And it is not showing decimal places because a is defined as integer, so it has no decimal places part. Okay. Similarly, now let us do this minus minus operation. So it will mean, what it will mean is a subtract 1 from a and then assign it to a. Okay, so real should be 5 minus 1, so that should be 4, right? So save it and run it. So it is showing 4. So this is how mathematical operators work. Now let us see some more operators, relational operators. So this equal sign. So for relational operators, we need to do some kind of check using some if statements. In Java, there are some if statements where when you need to check some operation. So in Java, you write like this: if, and then you put a bracket, small bracket, and some condition, and then some result. So what we are doing here is we are doing if c is equal to 1, then do this print out. So currently, if from this operation we can see that the c is equal to 1. Okay, and print out the value of say c. Okay, let us save it and now run. So it is showing value of 1. Okay, so this is how this operator works. It, now let us see this not equal to. Okay, exclamation mark. If c is not equal to this, so what will happen here is that now actually c is equal to 1, but we are checking if c is not equal to 1, then do this. So actually the system will not do this. Okay, what it will do is it will do something else. The else clause, let me check the else clause, what it is saying. Super expected. Else if c is not equal to 1. Okay, let us do in just a moment. Let us just if c is not, say c is not is equal to 2, then get the value of c. Okay, so c is not equal to 2, it is true, right? So it will print this value of c 1. Okay, now let us do the other operation, which is less than and equal to. Okay, so let us check this. If C is say less than 2, then do this print out. So it is true, so it will print. Okay, so it is printing. So that is means this is how this similar to this the greater than sign also works like this. If C is if C is greater than say 0. Okay, so do this. So it will do because C value of C is 1. So it is doing this printout. Okay, and now let us move to the assignment operator. This assignment we already actually learned this assignment operator when we are assigning values to variables. Okay, so this is how all the operators work in Java, and you can do some more practice and learn more about this operator, all the operators. So we will meet tomorrow with a new session. So thanks for your time and bye for now.